Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin noon na Senior High School Pre-Calculus. No? So, sa mga previous videos, naaral natin yung equation ng circle. No? At nag-practice tayo kung paano ba kunin yung equation ng circle given the radius and the center. And also the other way around, no? Given the radius and the center, nag-practice din tayo kung paano kunin yung equation ng circle. So dito, i-introduce ko sa inyo ang another form ng equation ng circle. Kasi yung nakikita nyo ang tawag natin dito ay standard form. So, of course, in general, no, ang standard form ay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So this is called the standard form of the equation of a circle. So, now notice that squared ito, di ba? This is squaring a binomial. No? So, hindi ko na i-review sa inyo. No? I assume na alam niyo na paano mag-square ng binomial. Otherwise, aralin nyo na ulit or i-review nyo. So, this is, if we expand this is x squared minus 4x plus 4. No? So, ang shortcut yan, square the first term, multiply the first term and the second term times 2, and then square the last term. Di ba, naalala nyo yan? This is, and then we have plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. So, gagawin ko, pagsasamahin ko itong, this is addition, you can rearrange, no? So, gusto kong pagsamahin itong x squared plus y squared para magkatabi sila. And then, yung 4x minus 4x. And then, yung y na term, plus 6y. And then, plus 13, no? Yung 4 dito, tsaka 9 dito, plus 13. This is equal to 25. Gusto ko, yung nasa kanan ko ay 0, no? So, this is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 13 minus 25 equals 25 minus 25. So, magiging 0 na yung kanan natin. So, x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, ang tawag natin dito ay this is called the general form. This is the general form. Nasa general form siya. Pero, syempre, yung pinaka-general form natin is x squared. Makita nyo, x squared plus y squared. So, then plus, yung term na may x, this is dx. No? D ay any number yan. No? And then plus ey plus f equals 0. So, D, E, and F are constant. So, any number. Siyempre, pwedeng negative, pwedeng positive. So, for example, ano ba ang D natin dito? Yung D is yung term na may X. So, pag minus 4X ka, ibig sabihin that's equal to plus negative 4X. Ito yung D natin. Ito yung DX. So, DX equals negative 4X. We can cancel x, we can divide both sides by x, maka-cancel yan. Meaning our d is negative 4. Yung e naman natin is yung term na may y. Ey is equal to 6y. You can cancel y. E equals 6. Okay? Tapos yung f, syempre yung f yun yung constant natin. Yung 13 dito. Ay, sorry, yung negative 12. So, plus negative 12. Ang pinakamagandang gawin natin dito, if you want to identify yung DEF, no, is to actually transform everything to addition. Kasi addition to, di ba? Addition siya lahat. So, yung lahat ng mga minus, i-plus negative natin. Di ba naalala nyo, A minus B is A plus negative B. So, palagi ko yun inuulit sa mga videos. No? So, ibig sabihin, x squared plus y squared plus negative 4x plus 6y plus negative 12 equals 0. Kaya natin siya i-plus para hindi tayo makita kasi 4 plus yun nandito eh. So yung dx natin, kitang-kita dito na negative 4x. So we can cancel yung x kasi pwede natin i-divide by x, which means that this is negative 4. Tapos yung ey natin, positive naman, so walang problema. So this is 6y, which means that e is equal to 6. And lastly, our f is, yung f natin, di ba? Plus f. F is negative 12. Okay, so thank you sa pagpanood nyo dito sa video. Dito sa video natutunan natin yung standard form ng equation ng circle at saka yung tatawag natin na general form. Okay, so we will both use these equations sa pagsagot natin sa mga problems on circles. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo. Gusto ko invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/9ph, our Facebook page, facebook.com/9ph, and our website. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.